Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a guild on Discord quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your Discord app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top left side that you will see a plus icon that says add a server. Click on it. Next, click create your own and you will be asked to choose between for a club or community. You pick whatever you like. Now give your server a name, then click create. After creating your server, click on your server name and you will see a server settings options. Click on that. And in the server settings, you should find an option called guild settings on the left menu. But if you don't see this, it's because the server isn't boost yet, or you need to boost the server to unlock the guild feature. It might still be in beta or not available for all server. But if you don't have this option, you can still mimic a server tag. Just type something like this. Or any tag you want, then add your server name after it like this, and this way it's look like you have a server tag even without the official feature. So that's for this video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.